In this question, you have to identify the structure that is present in between the adjacent bones of the vertebral column. Option A, cartilage. The intervertebral disc between adjacent vertebrae in the vertebral column are made of cartilage. Hence, it is the correct option. Option B, areolar tissue. It is incorrect. It is a type of loose connective tissue found in various parts of the body but not between the bones of the vertebral column. Option C, smooth muscle. It is also incorrect. Smooth muscle is found in various organs and blood vessels, not between vertebral bones. Option C, intercalated disc. It is also incorrect. These are specialized connections between cardiac muscle cells.